Hello, everyone. Good morning. So this is the second episode that we are recording. Thank you so much for shouting your love for the first video. So in this video, we will try to discuss today's topics, which are the three T's, right? Trump, tariff, and what else? Trade, right? Oh, hell no! Something is falling. Oh my God! Oh no, 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 no! We should not be talking about Trump, trade, and tariffs. We should be talking something more interesting, right? Okay, let's share my screen. Um, all right, so I'm talking today about a very interesting topic about meteorite, isn't it? Meteorite landings. So this is the website, as you can see, data.gov, and here I have discovered one fantastic data set, right? Meteorite. If you type meteorite, you will get to see meteorite CSV. So this is the file, and I will share my. Here we go. This is my Power BI desktop, and with the Power BI desktop, as you can see, just make it smaller everything so that it can be seen properly. All right, so let's see the data set. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start our new next query, and here we'll put it as evaluate, and then our data set is meteorite, right? And do the run. So if you can see, this is the data set which I'm talking. One second. Yeah. So this is the data set which I'm talking. So this is the data about meteorites, right? Meteorite landings. Isn't it interesting? So there are somewhere close to 45,000 meteorites that has fallen and data have been captured. And I believe this is the data from NASA or something, if I'm not wrong. So this data have been captured or certified by NASA. That's what they are claiming it. I have no proof and I have not checked on that fact, right? So yeah, it's talking about yeah, NASA. Right. So let's get into the details of the data set. So as you can see, the data set is talking about the name, the IDs, the meteorite, whether it is valid or the name type basically. Then there are the classified, right? There are different kind of meteorite types, right? Reclassified types like L1, L2, L5, different kind of things. Then there is a mass gram, right? The weight, the measure. Then there is one more bifurcation, which is which the field is talking about found and fail. Basically, the classification of the types of the fall. Right. Sometimes you get to see it's falling, and then you measure it, and then sometimes you just found it. This can be the bifurcation. There might be a more technical bifurcation, but yeah, today we can discuss that, and then also the year, right? So and a lot of interesting stuff. Let's get into the next one. So what we have done is, so this is what our data table, as you have seen, we have created a simple calendar. Let's, so from 1880, 1800, so 1800 still is there, and there is one. So one more data table, if you can see the meteorite, table, which is all the details of the data as we have discussed. It can be also have created one category called small, huge, large, based on their weight and meteorite date column I have created with the use of a simple DAX. And then I have created, the basically the relationship, right? So this date to this date, it can be connected, and that's how we have created one simple. Let's go to report view. Yeah. So this is what our report stands for. As you can see, the total number of meteorites, which is nothing but here are measures. As you can see, the total number of meteorites. Let me so the total number of meteorites. So this is basically calculate and distinct count, right? Distinct count we have here with the meteorite ID. And similarly, we the bifurcation, as I told, fail and found bifurcation, which is fail and found, which is what is the found DAX we have taken it. Yeah, this is the DAX we're taking it. Calculate, count, rows, filter, meteorite fall is good. Now this is also another pie chart, I would say, for this bifurcation. Similarly, we have created another the largest mass of the meteor. Very simple DAX. You can see where is the largest meteorite mass. Yeah, here we go. So largest meteorite mass kg is equals to max meteorite. The max syntax we have used. Similarly, we have used for lightest, which is calculate mean and all. Since there are a lot of in milligrams or something, so it is showing as gram as zero. That's fine. Also, we have created another DAX called average meteorite weight, which is the average DAX we have used. Uh, Going to the next slide. Yeah. So this is another chart. This is basically table visual that we have created, and as you can see, it is starting from year, meteorite year, and then this is basically year to year change, right? So we have a year to year change formula, which is the current year and the previous year, and then divide by the current year minus previous year and divide by the previous year, and it comes as a the percentage, right? So this is how we have created. Yeah, now it has actually come percentage. So as you can see, 2003, interestingly, it has been the largest. I mean, we have seen the most number of meteorites, 60% of rise. Whereas also it is showing as 1979, which is 3045, which is the rise of almost 1000% of the previous year. That's how you can calculate, and we have used the data bar in the visuals. Similarly, we have created you know uh, the category basically. So there are category of small, as I told, small, medium, large, and huge. This is one category, and also another graph that we have used. This is a field map. Yeah, I think field map what we have used. So this can be showcasing the entire what do you call the entire map of where exactly the meteorites have fallen or found. So as you can see, India is also there. There are few is the recorded latitude and longitude, and Russia there are plenty. So as in US also they have recorded. So eventually Alaska and all also I think they have found a lot of meteorites. So this is one small Power BI dashboard that we have created with meteorites. Let's try to do something else. Let's try to find out which is the largest, say like largest name of the largest meteorite. So largest meteorite name, right? If you put like this way, what will be the syntax? Syntax would be calculate, and then we'll do it this different way. We can do it first. Non-blank we'll do it because there are a lot of blank values are there. Then we'll talk about the name of the meteorite. So name is the meteorite name, and then the expression, right? The expression is number one, we want to put, and then filter, right? It's talking about filter. If you can see the prompt, it is asking filter. Now it is asking for the table. The table is of course meteorite is a table, and then filter expression. It is talking about meteorite expression. So we need to put the meteorite, the weight, right? So we have a column named mass, right? So mass G is equals to maximum, right? So this is a maximum, and then we put as mass. So if you can close all the brackets, here we go. Let's take a look what it says. So we'll just put a copy and paste, copy and control C, control V basically. Okay, and this is the new visual 123 card. All right, so let me share which is the largest meteorite name. So it's talking about Koba, right? Largest meteorite name. So let's see. Let's take a look if it's right or wrong. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take one more table chart, and then we'll see start taking the name of the meteorite, and also we'll be taking the mass, right? So this should not be the sum, this should be don't surprise. And as you can see, it has come, but we have to do a bit highest. So Phoba, as you can see, Phoba is the largest meteorite. So this is the way you should calculate Phoba. Sorry, largest meteorite. Okay. Similarly, if you are interested to learn with us, there are a lot of courses that we have launched recently. One course is that we have been working on. So big shout out to this courses, building dashboard, business dashboard, which is a combination of 25 hours of session, fully hands-on. A lot of use cases will be discussed. 10 hours should be advanced Excel, which will be talking about all the XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, pivot, and again building dashboards. And then another 15 hours will be talking about all the Power BI concepts and the DAX and so on. So this is the course that I and Sheetal would be delivering. I can share if those who are interested in the link, and you can take a look. So these are the use cases that we'll be discussing in the Power BI session. So if you can see, there are lots of use cases will be discussed. This is a 15 days, 15-hour module, 1 hour every day, and we can discuss the insurance use case, As you can see, that churn analysis, and then there are different. Also, we have something called supply chain, HR analytics, healthcare analytics, use case, project management. All this will be discussed. So those of you are really interested can join our workshop, and also we have the I have the free links, free GitHub links. Who are interested to work with us, they can share their work and we can work together. And these are the few repositories. If they wanted to utilize those repositories, feel free and utilize. These are the few also background. We have taken it from Canva, so you can utilize, and do let me know how you find working on this dataset. So with this, thank you so much for being so patient and loving our videos. We will be discussing a lot of different data set and trends in the coming videos. Thank you so much. Good day.
Alone, breathing in your love, on your touch, oh, it's what I'm